Hello guys, RiderTech here, and let's do a presentation of this baby. Hope you can hear me because we are using a different setup for the microphone. So let's hello again. As I said in the teaser video, this is the new bike. It's new to me. I bought it used. I will do a video about all the process and what happened and why this bike. But this is the main. How was I saying? This is the main. This is the teaser that I was saying to you guys in the video that I did with the recap of the previous year and the last year. I bought this bike especially to do long trips and to be more practical because of the top case. Basically, I was looking for bikes, and this one appeared used, and I talked to the dealer, and it was a no-brainer. Basically, for the price, it was a very good buy. Now, the thing, the RS. The RS is still here, guys. You will see me in the RS. There's no the little baby didn't go away, but mainly I'm a fair weather rider with RS because I have this one. If it rains, I take this one. If I plan to do a very long trip, I take this one. If I need to do some errands, I take this one. The RS is for fun. Is for going to the twisties, for having fun. This one is a workhorse, and I bought it for that. It basically has. I bought it in September of last year. As I said, I could not do lots of videos, so that's why you haven't seen the bike yet. But basically, I bought it because I was putting a lot of kilometers on the RS doing highway stuff and straight lines. I don't like to do that with the RS. It's just a squid missile. If you do a lot of highway in a straight line, it just pulls you to that. This one is funny enough. This one does better mileage than the RS, even being an 890. It's funny, but that's mostly my throttle hand. So so far so good, and it has a few mods. As you can see, you have the little clip-on, the sport, the top case, and the heated grips. Some of them came with a bike, but I will do a dedicated video for this. But let's go do the errand that I was going to do and take the bike for a spin so you guys can see a little bit. Ready to race. So typical step over because I'm a short guy. One thing that I didn't mention, this bike has a lower seat because I'm too short for the regular seat. So let's go. And when we reach the main road, we will be back. And welcome back. As I was saying, this bike has a lower seat, so I can flat-foot it easily. I could use the normal seat, but it's way too high to do off-road and stuff like that. And let's go into that matter. This year and last year has been very hard for me. I don't have a lot of time to do trips and stuff like that. That's the main reason why you see me doing always the same roads, because it's my escape mechanism, and I just record I take you guys along for the ride and I distract myself. But mainly I haven't been able to do any kind of good trips. The expectation with this bike was exactly to change that. I haven't had the opportunity yet, but this bike is the opposite of the RS. I wanted something that was going to let me take any road and have a bias to off-road, and this is it. It's the new baby on the channel, so expect to see this one and the other one. Expect to see the same type of videos that I did on the RS, and about the short-term review, things I hate, stuff like that. And if you have any questions about the bike, how it is to compare, look, the guy was giving me space, but I didn't want to take it. So if you want to know what it's like to go from an ADV and a big ADV to the RS and back, what's it like to have the two bikes, feel free to comment. I will try to answer or make a video to respond to you guys. But this is it. This is the next chapter. I didn't plan to do it so soon, and not like this, like getting another bike, because I'm just feeding the comments of the N+1. Look, a Maserati. I think it's a Maserati. So basically, now we have a bike with cruise control. This has the tech pack, but I will talk about what the bike has and mods and stuff like that after. But I will talk later about this. This was supposed to be a video about just presentation, how the bike is, the nice color, stuff like that. But as I said, it's new to me. I didn't choose a lot of things, I just chose the bike. But that's another story for another video. So let's conclude. New bike, new genre, new type of adventures in the future, and maybe I do off-road, maybe I don't. So far I haven't had the opportunity to take this off-road, unless you can't off-road some parking spaces that are on with dirt, and I taking some trips there, but that's not off-road for me. Off-road for me is taking a road and explore. So that's what I plan to do. Maybe in the summer. It's winter, and there's no way I can do this. And thank you for watching. See ya.